Shit.
Hey guys, so this is a little change of scenery, and I thought I would make this since, you know, like the 4 videos I've been making about, you know, Jupiter, Cancer, earthquakes, and then yesterday there happened to be a 4.4 earthquake in So I was like, it's a sign that I just need to keep talking about this. I think that's pretty apparent. Because again, yeah, like the magic square of Jupiter is a 4x4 grid. But I'm actually gonna add on to the August 8th date, because I found something just to add on to that yeah, it's just more mind-blowing, as if it could be more mind-blowing, but it is. So let's just review real quick. On the day of August 8th, there was a 7.1 earthquake in Japan. And, you know, 7.1, like 71, I've been talking about Jupiter is the Roman equivalent of Zeus, the Greek. And Zeus equals 71. And Zeus in Greek isosophy equals 612.
Hey, Edro.
And Jupiter also equals 612. And, you know, we talk about earthquakes. So Revelation 6:12 about the great earthquake, right? And now we're gonna get into the Lion's Gate. I didn't really talk about at all, but that was August 8th. So we're gonna talk about Lion's Gate and Sirius, the dog star. And I'm just giving you a heads up right now. If you're sensitive to like astrology talk, this is your warning. So the Lion's Gate has to do with Sirius, the dog star. And so just describing what the Lion's Gate is, it's an alignment of Sirius, the dog star, Orion's belt, the sun during Leo, we're in tropical at least, and Earth. Sirius, Orion's belt, Sun, Earth alignment. And August 8th is the peak of the Lion's Gate. So that's a again, I'm not saying that I like practice any of this stuff. I'm just looking at what's given and accepted. Like if you could look it up and find it, that's just what I'm getting at. I really don't know too much about the Lionsgate, to be honest, because whenever I try to look it up, I get a lot of, it's mainly just like the energy manifestation like type stuff, and I wanted to find more just like objective, just astrological stuff about it, but everything is like, now is the time, this is your moment, the portal is opening, like every single thing. So it's like I don't know, just kind of, that's not like really what I'm trying to focus on, but I'm just trying to look at what's going on in the sky, I guess. So in terms of that alignment, again, 8/8, that's the peak of the Lionsgate, August 8th. But that was the day that the Japanese earthquake happened. And I mentioned the dog star Sirius, so we're gonna look into that a little bit more. And a lot of the Sirius stuff is I credit to Casey Jones and Rambo. And 712 for sure. So Sirius in Greek equals 595. And that's the 34th triangular number. $595, and this is the first place where Jupiter and Sirius kind of collide. We looked at the magic square of Jupiter, which is a 4x4 grid, all the numbers between 1 and 16. Every row, this is the part I didn't really talk about yet, but every row and every column on its own, when you add it up, each one adds up to 34. So 34 is another number associated to Jupiter in terms of that magic square. So you guys remember the review in the beginning? In Greek, isosophy juice, which is Jupiter, equals 612, and Jupiter equals 612. All the stuff with the earthquakes, Revelation 612. So one more thing I forgot to write down, but you should watch the other videos to just see how much I was talking about this date, August 8th, and Jupiter. So we were just talking about the magic square, 4x4, 4, 4, all the numbers between 1 and 16. So when you, so in gematria, the Jupiter equals 99 and 36. In the first two ciphers, so when you go from August 8th to 9/9/36, that's 4, 4, 16 days. Just like how the magic square of Jupiter is a 4x4 grid, all the numbers between 1 and 16. That was a long review. I'll probably put a little part in the videos where you can skip to the new information. So again, the 34, we're talking about how Sirius equals 595. That's the 34th triangular, and 34 is also associated with Jupiter. So when you go from August 8th, the same date we've been looking at, all tied to Jupiter, like ridiculously, to my 34th birthday, which will be October 7th, 2025. I still can't believe this. I'm in awe. It's 612,000 minutes exactly. Not only that, it's 10,200 hours. 10200 hours. But where did that 102 come from? Well, what's interesting is that looking at the 612, 102 and 612, remember we were just talking about how 88 was Lionsgate? Lionsgate equals 102 and 612. And from that very significant Lionsgate that I was just from that the peak of the Lionsgate to my 34th birthday. Remember, Sirius equals 595 in Greek, the 34th triangular number. In the magic square of Jupiter, every row and every column adds up to 34 on its own. From August 8th to my 34th birthday is 612,000 minutes exactly, and 110,200 hours. 612 and 102. Now think about the movie Back to the Future. How fast do they have to go back in time? 88 miles per hour, right? 88 miles per hour. To go 88 miles per hour, he says you're gonna see some serious-ish. And of course they have the dog, Einstein, and Sirius is the dog's star, so you can